Hi, this is a recipe for Spatchcock Roast Chicken. Right, first thing to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Right, what I'm doing here, I've got a good pair of kitchen shears. So 1.5 kilo free range chicken. Cutting out the backbone. Just watch your fingers here. Quite sharp. Up the other side. I did have a soundtrack to this, but YouTube copyrighted it, so right, so we've got that, we're cutting this out, and that's heading towards the bin. Or if you're into making homemade stock, that could go to that. Right, over, toss it over, and flatten it down. You're basically breaking the rib cage there. Ease it down. The next thing, I've got half a lemon, squeeze half lemon juice over it. Minus the pips. And a quick season with sea salt. Now I use hot chili powder, that's cayenne pepper basically. Just a quick dusting of that. Now that, you'll probably think that's quite hot like, but I didn't eat the skin, it's flavouring the rest of the chicken. Right, a quick sprinkle of caraway seeds. Sprinkle. Now this bakes in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, so it's a quick roast. Basically, it's about half the cooking time. Chicken out the oven, that's bang on 40 minutes, and I'm just going to check this. I've got a probe thermometer. What you do if you've not got a probe thermometer, you would just go at the thickest bit, the thigh there, and the juices should run clear. This is a 1.5 kilo chicken, so let's see if that's, you're wanting that about 80 degrees. Just check it another bit. Yeah, it's not cooked. Give that another 5 minutes. Okay, that's the chicken just out of the oven. That's bang on 45 minutes. Right, out to check that, just get a skewer or something. I use a probe thermometer. The juices should run clear. Get onto the, and wanting the probe about 80 degrees. And that way you know there's no question the chicken being cooked in. 86, that's that ready. I'd leave it about 10 minutes, just with a bit of foil over the top of it to rest. That's a better view of the chicken there. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this and taken some for this. Right, thanks for watching, bye.